Hey guys, BusyMami here, and so I know we did this with my sister a while back. This is my third Fab Fit Fun box. So my sister's supposed to be here for all of them. She wasn't here for the last one, and so I didn't open it on camera, but I'm gonna open this one on camera so you can see what I got. Look at this spring 2019 beautiful box. It looks gorgeous. As usual, we have our little magazine. First things first, leave-in conditioner. I've heard of OY, I think. Multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. So this is perfect. I don't know, I mean, I don't think you guys have ever seen me with curly hair on the videos, but I have naturally curly hair. That's where my baby girl Sophia gets her curly hair from. Leave-in conditioner is the best thing. Pro tip, any dads watching, if you are watching, any busy dads out there, get leave-in conditioner for your daughter's hair, because then it'll help. This is a purifying face cleanser. Let's smell it. Ooh, that smells really good. It actually brings back memories of baby soap. Like, I instantly got like a 3 a.m. feeling of having, you know, babies, but it's a purified face cleanser. Use morning and night and massage into wet skin and rinse with water. So we'll see. I'll try this one tonight. It's got probiotic skincare. It's a really hefty big bottle, so I'm excited to try that. So this is Needles No More. Anybody who doesn't want to get needles to have anti-aging stuff, here we go. So this is ID Puffing Gel. Warm a tiny amount between your fingers and pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. For best results, let dry between applications and then reapply. So right here are these bags under your eyes, because that 3 a.m. feeling that I told you I had, kids, that's what gives you those bags under your eyes. Oh, it includes 2 cutlery sets, knife, fork, and spoon, and 2 plates. So it's like a picnic kit, maybe? That's kind of cool. We like to go on picnics as a family in downtown Naperville all the time. This is cute. Super cute. So these are okay. They're like very plasticky, and the spoons and knives are kind of, I'm not gonna say that they're kind of dollar store like, but they're kind of dollar store like. So I don't know how much I like this, or how much I'll use it. So this is the sip bottle. It was created to quench your thirst from dusk till dawn. And it's supposed to work for hot and cold water. So this is my issue with this one. So right away, right off the bat, I would not buy this. First and foremost, because it says it is not dishwasher safe. And I would have to hand wash this. Listen, I have 2 toddlers and a full-time job. I have a dishwasher for a reason. Actually, maybe they're not toddlers. They're like, I don't know what they are, but they're 7 and 4, so I don't have time to be washing things by hand. I don't even know how you wash this by hand, but it's supposed to be hot and cold. You can't even really get in there, so I don't know. I mean, I guess you put soap in it and, oh gosh, I threw it. Anyway, I don't know how I feel about that. Ooh, this is Giada's measuring spoons. So obviously Giada, they're called Giada's. I didn't say her name incorrectly on purpose. So she's got a set of copper plated measuring, I said measuring cups, I meant spoons. Measuring spoons from her new lifestyle platform, Giada's. So super cute. I'm actually super curious to see if she has like a set of other stuff, because as I've said in videos before, I use a lot of Rachel Ray stuff because I really like it, but this is fancy. And it's actually like a really good weight. I'm excited to try these on BusyMami videos. And I'm excited to look and see if she's got other stuff. So, Giada, we'll see what happens. I'm excited. Ooh, a champagne and charcoal scrub. This is to detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with a gentle body scrub. Buff away dead cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. I think this is going to come in handy a lot in the summer when you have a lot of, like, you know, skin that is like, you know, from tanning or from being outside. And it smells really good. Let's see. It smells really good. And I'm gonna scrub a little. Oh, my hands will feel so exfoliated. I mean, you should do this in the shower, not in your kitchen, but it smells really good. So I'm excited to try this when I shower next, which will be tonight. Okay, that sounded like I don't shower very often. Looks like a bag. Let's see. Deluxe. Like a play on words, like deluxe. Get it, guys? No? Okay. Okay, so this bag. Ooh, is it like a little backpack purse? Because that's cute. I like that. Like for summer, going to like beach stuff. This is super cute. Oh, I'm totally going to use this. But it has two little snaps here to make it a little smaller. And go like this. And it's pretty cute. So, I'm liking it. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to switch into this. We'll see what happens. So the cool thing with Fab Fit Fun is you can actually have add-ons and you can do things like that. Last time I added a body wash. This time I added this moisturizer for face, neck, and hands. I don't know how I feel about that smell. Anyway, this is a Nodo. It's supposed to be really good. Use in the morning or at night on the necks. How many necks do you have? On your neck, your face, or the tops of your hands. It smells kind of like those foot creams that like your grandma used to use. I don't know how to explain. I don't know that I want this on my face, but honestly, it really, really, really smells like not very good at all. So I don't know that I would actually use it, but it is very soft. So anyway, let me know if you've had, oh, I don't like the smell. Let me know if you guys have had any of this stuff, if you guys got the same stuff, what you think, what you like, what you don't like. And yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what was in your box and if you are still gonna get it. So thanks. See you guys next time. Bye.